We know a lot has been happening across the D.C. region lately. So joining us now this morning to talk more about the anti-truancy effort and more is Prince George's County State's Attorney Aisha Braveboy. Good morning and good to see you.
Good morning. It's great to see you as well.
Well, we will get to the anti-truancy effort in just a bit, but I have to get your take on the news that baby K, the teenager who's accused of trying to shoot and kill a student on a Prince George's County school bus last year, the court have decided now that he will be tried as an adult. Impressions?
Yes, well, my office advocated for him to remain in adult court. We believe that that was the most appropriate place given his history, as well as the seriousness of the crimes that he's alleged to have committed. So we worked hard to put together a strong case around why he should remain in adult court, and the judge agreed with our position.
Tell us more about this anti-truancy effort that you've been working hard on for several months now. What's the latest?
So, truancy is a problem all across the country. And I think it was highlighted really during COVID, where kids were going to school virtually and some of those young people just did not attend. And even after the COVID times, I guess we're still in them sort of, but when we went back to in-person learning, a lot of kids didn't go back. They looked at school as an option as opposed to a requirement. And we saw in Prince George's County a little over 30% of our students being chronically truant, meaning they're missing 10% or more of the school year. Many are missing 20% or more, which means that they are not able to keep up with their classmates, their counterparts, and they are not on a path to graduation. And so we're very concerned that many of those kids are also ending up in our justice system. As we look at young people who have committed carjackings, robberies, and other very serious crimes, when we pull their student records, one of the things that we find in common is that they have dismal attendance records. And so we are laser focused on ensuring that our kids are in school and that parents are also held accountable. And that's why we're having a series of meetings at various high schools and middle schools across our county to send that message, and also to let parents know that really this is their last chance to get it right. If they need help, because some of our parents do. We are compassionate. We understand that a lot of families are going through difficulties. We just need to know about it. The school system needs to know about it so that we can make accommodations for those families. But it's not okay not to ask for help. It's not okay not to respond when you receive a letter from our office and from the superintendent instructing you to send your kids to school, and also acknowledging the law that you're violating. So we are focused on that, and we will be holding individuals accountable.
All right, well, thank you so much. I know you're also supporting the organized crime bill. A similar legislation failed to advance last year, but the rates have changed since then, so we'll see where that ultimately ends up. Prince George's County State's Attorney Aisha Braveboy, thank you so much for joining us for the latest in your area. We appreciate it.